Welcome to the Hostinger coupon code channel. If you've landed here, chances are you're planning to buy Hostinger hosting and you've been hunting for a working coupon code online. You might have already found a 10% discount somewhere on the internet, but why settle for 10% when you can actually save 20%? That's exactly what this channel is about. I put together an exclusive coupon link that automatically applies a full 20% discount at checkout. No need to copy paste any code manually. The best part is that this works for all countries in your local currency and language. So no matter where you're watching from, this deal is available for you. Here's what you need to do. Simply use the link I provided and it will take you straight to Hostinger's official website. Once you're there, click on products and services in the navigation bar at the top. You'll see all their plans laid out in front of you: cloud hosting, web hosting with Site Builder, and Hostinger Business Email. For this demonstration, I'm going with Hostinger VPS hosting. Inside VPS, you'll find multiple plans including KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I selected the KVM2 plan, and just like that, the 20% discount was automatically applied right at checkout. No extra steps, no fuss. One important tip before you go: always try using a new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before, as that tends to give you the best results with the discount. If this video helped you save some money, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more money saving deals.